Hello! In this video, we are going to prove the following theorem. Let A, B, and C be sets. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A is a subset of C. Okay, now, in proving this theorem, we're trying to prove if these two things are true, then this is true. So let's suppose that these two things are true. From here, our whole goal is to then show that A is a subset of C. In other words, we want to show that every element of A is also an element of C. So give me an arbitrary element of A. I'll call it X. And we want to show that X must then lie in C. Well, since A is a subset of B, this tells us that every element of A is also an element of B. So in particular, since X is an element of A, we have that X is an element of B. Similarly, since B is a subset of C, this tells us that every element of B is also an element of C. Well, in particular, since X is an element of B, we must then have X as an element of C. So now, putting this together, we see that under the assumption X is an element of A, it follows that X is an element of C. Since X was arbitrary, this means that every element of A is also an element of C. In other words, we've shown that A is a subset of C. And that is exactly what we wanted to show. So really, we have shown if these two things are true, then this is true. And that's precisely what we wanted to prove. So this completes the proof. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.